Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In this tutorial I will guide you through the steps to download and install FL Studio on your PC. By the way guys, it's been a while. I've been away from YouTube for about 2 months, and the reason is because I've been working on other projects I have at hand. But I'm back, and I promise you guys I'll be dishing out interesting topics. Alright, so you guys should stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started with today's topic. As we all know, FL Studio is a digital audio workstation used for music production, composition, and audio editing. It allows users to create, edit, mix, and arrange music and sounds. FL Studio is popular for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. So if you want to download and install FL Studio on your PC, the first step you have to take is to choose your preferred browser. For this tutorial, we are going to be using Chrome browser, so I'm going to head to Chrome browser. Next, in the address bar, type flstudio.com and click enter. This will take you to the official FL Studio website. Once you're on the website, you're going to find these two options down here: get the trial and buy FL Studio. So what you have to do is to go ahead and choose any of them. For example, if you want to get the trial, you have to click this one, but if you want to purchase FL Studio, then you have to go for this one. So I will click on get the trial because I just want to download and use the free trial. So once you do that, you're going to be asked to create an account. I already have an account on FL Studio, that's why I was not asked to create an account. As you can see up here, this is my username. So in order for you to create an account, you just have to enter a few information about yourself, like your name, your email address, and password. So once you have that done, then you'll be asked to choose either Windows 64-bit or Mac OS, depending on your operating system. So I'm going to go with Windows 64-bit, and then I'll click on download. So once you hit download, it will start downloading. Then I'm going to click on agree, and then I'll click on next, 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 and then it will start installing our FL Studio. Okay, so it's installing. So this will actually take a few minutes, and this is because FL Studio actually installs the application alongside with some other plugins in the app. So let's follow the process gradually. So now we have to click on next, and then we have to click on next, and we have to click on finish. And once we do that, you're going to notice you have your FL Studio right here. So what we have to do next is to launch this application. So I'm going to double click on it. Alright, so now we have successfully launched FL Studio on our PC. Now you're now set to start creating music. Alright, so that's it on how to download and install FL Studio on your PC. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like. I make videos on how to distribute your music on TuneCore, DistroKid, and several other music distribution platforms. And also you will learn how to use mobile applications on this channel. So if that's what you want to be seeing, do it to subscribe to this channel, and also give this video a like for more. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.